Good morning, students. Class 10, Chapter 14, Statics. In this chapter, in the previous video, we have discussed some basic of this chapter, and in the today's video, we have already discussed of this basic and some question of exercise 14.1. In the previous video, we discussed about measures of certain tendency, which are three are arithmetic mean, median, and mode. And we discuss about arithmetic mean when the data is not in tabular form, sigma xi upon n, sum of the numbers upon number of the numbers. And we discuss about when data in tabular form, sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Now we have discussed about, and which is important for class 10th, mean for grouped data. When data in the form of group mean class intervals are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 25 and so on. That is called grouped data. If grouped is given, then we have find out mean. In the syllabus there are three methods to find out mean, in which we study first method, and their method is direct method. The formula to find out mean sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, in which xi is not observation. In this portion xi is class mark or mid value of class, and formula of class mark we have discussed in the previous video. Class mark is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit upon 2, upper class limit and lower class limit, ये सब ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस वीडियो में पढ़ चुके हैं. एंड fi रिप्रेजेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी. fi किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? फ्रीक्वेंसी को, यानी कि किस ग्रुप में कितनी बार कोई नंबर रिपीटेशन हो रहा है, वो फ्रीक्वेंसी का आ जाएगा. हम इस पर बेस्ड एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करेंगे, फिर सेकंड मेथड, उस पर बेस्ड एक क्वेश्चन, फिर तीसरा मेथड एक क्वेश्चन. इससे आपको मेथड और उससे आप क्वेश्चन में कैसे यूज करोगे दोनों एक साथ क्लियर होते रहें. नोट डाउन इट एंड नोट डाउन एक्सरसाइज 14.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Okay student, I hope you have note down exercise 14.1 question number 1. In the question number 1, firstly we read the question. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. यानी कि किसी लोकेलिटी में 20 हाउसेज पर उन्होंने सर्वे किया और उनसे नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स के बारे में पूछा. फाइंड द मीन नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स पर हाउस. आपको मीन फाइंड आउट करना है, एंड यू हैव ऑल्सो मैंशनड कि आप कौन सा मेथड यूज करोगे और क्यों. सिंपली according to the table, there is one house in which number of plants are 0 to 2, two houses in which number of plants are 2 to 4, one house in which number of plants 4 to 6, and so on. The information is given and we use a direct method. Reason: the value of fi and class interval are small, then the value is small, then we use direct method. So in the direct method we prepare 4 columns always. The heading of the first 2 column is fixed according to the question, and remaining 2 columns heading class mark always written fi xi always. These are fixed and these are depend on the question. And in the first column the heading we write class interval and fi, but it is depend on the question. To find out mean, and we use direct method. Direct method. Please write name of the method is compulsory. It is the information of first 2 columns which is given, and I hope you have note down. Now we fill the third column. Third column, to find out the formula, class mark is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit upon 2. To write the formula is also compulsory, and write the formula below the table. Now fill this column. Upper class limit plus lower class limit upon 2. 2 plus 0 2, 2 upon 2 1. It means the value is 1, and which is its mid value also. upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. 6 upon 2 is means 3. 6 plus 4, 10 upon 2, 5. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. Now fill the last column. It's mean multiply fi xi. 1, 2, 3 ja 6, 1, 5 ja 5, 5, 7 ja 35, 6, 9 ja 54, 2, 11 ja 22 and 3, 13 ja 39. Now we find out sigma fi, and please remember the sign of sigma always like this. It's mean हमेशा आपको सिग्मा का साइन इसी तरह बनाना है, उसमें आप कोई डेकोरेशन या समथिंग कुछ ऐसे वैसे मत ड्रॉ करना. सिग्मा fi, सम ऑफ दीज वैल्यूज इज 20 and we find out sigma fi into xi. Some of these values and some of these values is 162. So simply we find out mean. Mean is equal to this calculation. Please below the table, स्पेस कम होने के कारण साइड में कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको ये टेबल के नीचे ही मतलब बिलो द टेबल ही वर्क करना है. 162 upon 20 and the answer is 8.1. 8.1 plants per house. It means we can say that in a locality एक मकान में अप्रोक्स 8.1 प्लांट्स हैं. I hope you understood. Note down it and we study second method to find out mean. Okay student, now we discuss second method to find out mean. Second method we used when we observe that numbers are very large and in the question especially mention use this particular method. First method direct method, second method assumed mean method. assume शब्द आप जानते हो, जब किसी को assume करते हैं मतलब सपोज करते हैं. assumed mean method. The formula is mean is equal to x bar is a representation of mean, capital A plus प्लस के ठीक सामने अपॉन का साइन डिनोमिनेटर सिग्मा fi एंड न्यूमरेटर सिग्मा fi इंटू डी आई. fi frequency capital A is assumed mean. We have discussed in this question, we have find out arithmetic assumed mean. di is the deviation of xi from assumed mean. इट्स मीन di को हम सिंपली डेविएशन कॉल करेंगे, ये इसके फाइंड आउट करने का मेथड है. तो di का फॉर्मूला हुआ xi माइनस यानी कि xi को कम करना फ्रॉम अज्यूम्ड मीन के अकॉर्डिंग. ये सब क्वेश्चन के अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड इट इज अ फॉर्मूला, प्लीज राइट द फॉर्मूला केयरफुली. कैपिटल A प्लस के ठीक सामने अपॉन का साइन न्यूमरेटर सिग्मा fi इंटू डी आई एंड अपॉन सिग्मा fi. नोट डाउन दिस फार्मूला एंड वी अप्लाई द फार्मूला इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 14.1. सो नोट डाउन 14.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Okay student, I hope you have note down question number 2 of exercise 14.1. In the question number 2, consider the following distribution in daily wages of 50 workers in a factory. एक फैक्ट्री में 50 वर्कर्स हैं, उनको डेली कितने रुपए दिए जाते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग है. फाइंड द मीन डेली वेजेस ऑफ द वर्कर्स ऑफ द फैक्ट्री यूजिंग द एप्रोप्रिएट मेथड. जो मेथड आप यूज़ करना चाहो, बिकॉज इन दिस क्वेश्चन डाटा इज सो लार्ज, सो वी यूज assumed mean method. According to the table, 12 workers are whose daily wages is 100 to 120, 14 workers are whose daily wages is 120 to 140 and so on, and we have to find out mean. We have to find out mean and the method is assumed mean method. In the assumed mean method we prepare 1 2 3 4 5 columns, and in the direct method we prepare only 4 columns. Remember, number of columns is compulsory. The heading of first two columns are same according to the question, मतलब depend upon the question similarly as a direct method, but it is called class interval and fi according to us. And remaining three columns are always fixed. Third column class mark like direct method. Fourth column is changed, it's mean new creation, di deviation, and the last column fi into di. These three columns heading always fixed, and this depend on the question. It is a daily wages 100 to 120, 120 to 140, and it is a number of workers, it's mean frequency. Now firstly we prepare third column class mark. Class mark upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. So it's mean 120 plus 110, it's mean 220, and half of 220 110. 120 140, it's mean 130, 150, 170, and 190. Now we fill the fourth column deviation di. Firstly we select a capital A, and capital A, remember capital A is always selected in class mark, and if you select any value of class mark as a capital A, but generally or mostly we suppose mid value, but generally or mostly we let mid value of this class marks, which is 150. Now we find out deviation di xi minus a, xi minus a, 110 minus 150, and the value is minus 40. Similarly minus 20, 0, 20, and 40. Now we complete the fourth column fi into di. Fi and di multiply. Minus 480 minus 280, 0, 120, and 400. Now we find out sigma fi, sum of these numbers, and say it is already given 50. Now we find out sigma fi di. To find out sigma fi di, again repeat, it is a sign of sigma, and always make the sign of sigma like this, and these lines must be parallel always. Sigma fi di, to find out sigma fi di, firstly we find out sum of these two numbers, and sum of these two numbers is minus 760. Sum of these two numbers is minus 760. Again sum of these two numbers is plus 520. Now calculation of these two numbers is minus 240. In this procedure, if we recheck our calculation, then we calculate very easily. And it is the formula to find out mean, capital A plus in numerator sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Now we put the value capital A 150 plus minus 240 upon 50. 150 plus 0 cancel, minus 4.8, and the answer is 145.2 rupees per वर्कर, यानी कि एक वर्कर को डेली 145.20 रुपीज. इन द रुपीज देयर मस्ट बी 2 digits आफ्टर डेसिमल, so answer is 145.20 rupees. I hope you understood. Note down it. Now revise third method. How third method revise in the next video. So you prepare these two method, and in these two method you have done question number 1, 2, 4 and 5. Thank you very much.